Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Decor and DIY with Anita and your girl Anita, and in today's video I'll be taking you along with me to the Dollar Tree, guys. So do sit back, relax and enjoy this video, guys. If you're not yet a subscriber, please go right ahead, hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Decor and DIY family. I would love to have you here and you're gonna love it here too. So guys, without further ado, let's jump right, well, hey, we're already in the video. Just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Until next time, do take care and be blessed. I hope you do find lots of these stuff in your Dollar Tree, guys. Let me know in the comments section below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share my videos with your family and friends. Guys, don't be afraid, like I always say. Go ahead, share the video, guys, and leave your comments below, guys. And remember to subscribe and put your post notification bell on. That's where you'll be notified whenever I put out another video, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Until next time, take care, be blessed. Remember, guys, be creative. Bye bye.